My daughter born in Jamaica too, and she always bother me because she on the internet all the time, and I don't know, say she don't believe that enough people believe, say white people come from Jamaica.
And stop trying to make we say the yeah man so often. Ever so often you hear the accent and it's just pure yeah man, no problem man. And they make it so loud and vulgar. And on a daily basis, we're not that loud, we're not that vulgar.
I was working 6 jobs, no man. I was a wedding photographer, meter maid, shoe salesman, swimming instructor, sushi chef, and taking a bar exam, all while delivering his lazy fetus. Get up now, you're fine.